Basically, I'm from a finance background. So
Okay.
I did my master's in financial analysis.
Okay.
So once I finished that and I started working, I was like, okay, this is not my cup of tea.
Mm.
As it was just like, because I'm more of a socializing person. And so I have like, basically, then I stopped working and I started focusing more on my extracurricular activities as I'm a playback singer too. So, so then I came here because my family is in here in Saudi.
Okay.
So I came for a job hunt, and because of COVID, everything got shut down. I couldn't go back to India, and I got stuck here. So I was like, okay, what can I do? How can I be more productive and everything? So one of my friend, he did CHRMP certification. So when I was like chatting with him, he was like, Eden, why don't you do this? Like, it's really good. And I always wanted to go into HR. I wanted to switch my career from finance to HR. So one of my friends suggested me, do HR advanced course, as he did from same institution, from Ripples itself. So I took this up, and first was my advanced class, and yeah, I liked it. And then he told me to enroll for analytics too, because in analytics I like a little more, because as it is more of formulas, calculations. Because I have a master's in finance, so this was like a new subject to me, analytics. So, and Animesh sir has been a very fab teacher, because he has like literally explained every concepts very well. Along with that, his exercises, his activities, and everything is really good. Even now, when I have any queries, when I text him in Telegram, he's like, okay, you didn't do this. This is not this way. Do like this. He keeps guiding me, like how to go about with my exam, or else clarifying my doubts or anything. So I, even if anyone is interested in HR, I would really tell them that this course is worth taking off, and it is more of insight. Like, we get a lot of knowledge from this, and it is really helpful. Yeah. So I would like to thank Ripple's institution, and even you, Vincent sir, for giving such a wonderful session on Tableau and everything. And even I attended a lot of session of Excel from you in advanced classes.
Okay.
So you have been a very fab mentor. So thanks to everyone. Yes.